So we are told to come back on the 7th of February. She has been released on a cash bail. The cash bail has been paid by the governor of Nairobi, Governor Sonko. He has come, he was following up that matter since yesterday, and he has come to bail out the lioness of Shah, the queen of Shah. Madam Barasa, bring it on. We are waiting for you in court. You know, they were intending to charge her for causing disturbances. I don't know how you cause disturbance when you go to ask for rights from a government office. All what she did was to go and communicate to the state, to the deaf state, about the plight other people are facing. So Grace is not here on our own capacity. When Grace is arrested, it is the 50 million of us who are arrested. When Grace is arrested, it's the 50 of us who are suffering who is arrested. And that is why we are here to stand in solidarity.